Way to go. Hello Dancer, Westerner, Game Changer alongside is Jaden. Apo Papato, Blusher, and number 1 Silent Power is the early trailer. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. By the rallies, Hello Dancer alongside Game Changer. Jaden, Apo Papato racing out of further outside by the Westerner. Game Changer by Anek, followed by Hello Dancer Danori inside, and Jaden Apo Papato racing third by about 4 lengths as they race the final corner. Game Changer on the outside. Hello Dancer is running down on the inside. Last 150, Game Changer. Hello Dancer is running down on the inside. But Game Changer this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Hello Dancer, Jaden Apo Papato, and finally, number 3, Game Changer, Hello Dancer, Jaden Apo Papato, Silent Power, Blusher, and number 4, Westerner.
Okay, 3-2.